How to get more organic search traffic to your website. Hi, my name is Regitze from Greatest Marketing Agency. Today I want to talk about how you can use your Facebook ads to also get you organic search traffic. Well, actually on your Facebook ads, you have a display link that says actually the URL of your website. But make sure that you, in that display link, that you leave out all this HTTPS and www, because it's just going to take up space so people can't see your actual URL. The URL is, for my sake, it's greatestmarketingagency.com. So when people see that, they may go to Google and just search your business, and thereby you don't have to pay for them going through your ad. You'll get free traffic that way. But of course the button itself that says shop more or learn, or shop now or learn more, that should go to either your landing page or your product page, depending on what you're selling. Not your front page, your landing page or your product page of what you're selling. So I hope that was helpful. That way you can actually get more search traffic. And yeah, if you want us to do all this for you, then we specialize in Facebook and Instagram advertising. You can book a call with me or my team. There's a link in the description. Also, I have a free Facebook ad template down below that you can go and download. And yeah, join our free Facebook group to learn more also. Facebook advertising for coaches, consultants, entrepreneurs, link in the description. And yeah, thanks for watching. Give me a like if you like it, subscribe to learn more. I also have lives every day around organic marketing, so go and join me there tomorrow, and share it with a friend. And yeah, take care, bye.